That's right. Welcome back.
Welcome back to Courtesy on Wheels.
Yes,
We're talking about
really good deals.
Toys for Tots.
That's right.
Which you can come in anytime up until probably about Christmas, right? Or a couple days before.
Like the 22nd.
22nd about and drop off your new unwrapped toy.
Because they got to have time to circulate all the toys out.
Right.
Have to get them to Santa. So Santa can bring them down the chimney and everything.
Oh, yes, yes.
That's
so
right.
Santa can bring them down the chimney. What's Santa bringing you this year down the chimney?
Well,
You don't know? You don't have anything on your
know.
wish
I
list?
don't know. Some eggnog, maybe. Some eggnog. Some mistletoe.
I got like a whole list of wishes on my wish list.
Yes.
You know what I really need the most?
Tell me.
One of those robotic vacuum cleaners.
Oh, yeah,
The
you
Roomba.
talking about that Roomba.
I need a Roomba.
To sweep up your puppy's hair.
Hair, yes.
That's
All
right.
the doggy hair.
Lila Bell.
Lila Bell hair.
That's right.
But if a vehicle is on your wish list, we got some great deals here. This is an 08 Honda Fit 5-door hatchback sport, 5-speed, aluminum alloy wheels, cruise control, a single CD and MP3, 4-cylinder, low miles, about 27,000 miles, and you can take it home for just $169 a month.
It's certified Honda product you can buy with confidence, and if you prefer to deal with a female salesperson, we have the best in all the land. Tracy Byrne just asked to trade with Tracy.
Tracy looks pretty cool in there, in the little Fit.
Yeah, about 40 miles a gallon.
That's
Nice.
awesome.
I know.
40 miles to the gallon?
Oh yeah, maybe a little more.
That's a reason in and of itself.
That's right. That's right. Once again, if you don't know where we're located, right next to Fayette Mall, a lot of you will be coming out this way shopping anyway. And we're on 24/7, courtesyonwheels.com. You can see great big photos of all the cars.
Yep.
20-some pictures of every car.
Yeah.
Big photos, prices, everything right on Courtesy on Wheels, and even click on credit application.